Hello everyone, welcome to ADSynth, Synthesizing Realistic Active Directory Attack Graph. This is the homepage of ADSynth, where you can find all the information about the tool. Now, let's get started by how to install the tool on your computer. For that, please head to our GitHub page for more details. In the GitHub page, please clone the whole repo ADSynth and then follow the instructions below to install the tool on your computer. After that, let's run the tool ADSynth. In the terminal, please use this command python-adsynth to execute the module ADSynth. In order to generate realistic Active Directory attack graphs, there are two steps. The first one is to set up parameters for your Active Directory systems, such as the number of users, computers, the number of tiers, locations where the company has branches at. Also, ADSynth provides a wide range of violation rates. All this information can be found on the website of ADSynth. Right here at the Configuration tab, where description and value for each parameter will be provided. More importantly, the template for the input file of ADSynth is provided as input.json. Let's go through this input file for an example. Here you can find the configurations of computer, such as the number of computer, the configurations for domain controller, for user, for group, for permissions in Active Directory, various misconfiguration rates, which is the violations in the AD system. We also have the number of tiers, the number of locations, and many other parameters. In this demo, I will use an input file that I have prepared. It is called the secure 1K JSON. Now, let's get started. In order to set up the parameters, let's run the command set params. Please copy and paste the full path to your input file. The next step is to run generate. The dataset generated by ADSynth will be stored in the folder generated dataset, which is here. Using this dataset generated by ADSynth, you can fit it into any algorithm about attack graph in Active Directory. If you want to visualize the generated attack graph using Bloodhound, a software recommended by US Homeland of Security, the first step is to connect to Neo4j database, which Bloodhound relies on. In order to do that, let's run neo4j config. And then type in the credentials to your Neo4j database. In order to upload dataset to Neo4j database, let's use the command import db. You can import any dataset to Neo4j database by using the full path to your file. However, in this demo, I just want to import the dataset I have just generated. Therefore, following the instruction, I will click enter. Depending on the size of the dataset, it might take some time for Neo4j to complete the uploading time. After the import process has finished, now let's head to Bloodhound to visualize our attack graph. Upon entering, Bloodhound is showing us all the members of domain admins, which is the most powerful entity of AD system. In Bloodhound, I will visualize the attack graph using one query as an example. Here, I will visualize the shortest path to domain admins using this query. There we go. This is the end of the demo. Thank you.